It's been 21 days since I launched my Etsy shop. I got my first order in the first week. The following week, I ran ads and lost money, but got my first 5-star review. And this one change I made to my shop led me to a total of $265 in revenue. I'll break my sales and earnings at the end of the video, so make sure you watch till the end. If you are new to this channel, hi, I'm Ramesh. The goal of this challenge is to make this side hustle of mine a 6-figure business and document every step I take along the way to act as a proof of concept that it is still possible to make it on Etsy. Alright, I started my shop on May 18. Although we got our first order in the first week, it was really a slow week. The following week, I intentionally decided not to list any product in my shop and run ads to promote my existing listing. I just wanted to see if not listing more products on my store had any impact on the sales. I set up my ad campaign with a daily budget of $1 per day and left it to do the magic. After a week with the ad campaign, I was able to get whopping 0 sales. So yeah, that didn't go as expected. You see, with ad campaigns, I came to realize that if you are selling products in the low competition niche, you are already ranking on the Etsy search, and if you use Etsy ads for those same listings, well, you are spending money to obtain the same results you could get for free. After I realized this, I went ahead and immediately stopped the ad campaign. Alright, now we are running on negative numbers, which is pretty bad for business. This was when I decided to make a change, list more products in my Etsy shop. You see, until now I was only posting original listing like this, so it was the right time to enter into the custom product market. By custom products, I mean delivering products with custom design from buyers. For instance, this is the mock-up of how a custom listing would look like. A listing that says enter your text, logo or image here, and when the customer orders the product, they specify what they want to fill in the design area, a code, photo of their dog or anything else. So I added 6 custom product listings, and immediately the next day we got 2 orders, one from our previous 45 original listing that I created in the first week, and the another from 6 custom products I listed the previous day. Now you see, if any of the listing gets ordered as quickly as it was listed, it's a good sign to Etsy algorithm, so it promotes the listing to more people. Also, the same day I got my first 5-star review, which was absolutely amazing timing. You see, reviews are the lifeblood for the success of any Etsy shop, even more than sales number. It's a social proof that a customer looks for when they are deciding to buy from your shop or any other shop. The review was from the first sale we made in the first week. I had set up the thank you email providing a 10% discount coupon code if they leave a review on their recent purchase, and as you can see, that worked pretty well. If you are just starting out, getting your first sale can be really hard and even harder to get a review. So asking your friend or a family to buy one of your product is a good idea to start. But keep in mind, it can backfire if the review looks made up. And trust me, customers can sniff out the fake reviews pretty well. So by seeing the review, I was really excited and I went ahead and added 4 more custom product listing on the same day. So at the end of the week, I managed to get 4 more orders, which totals to 7 orders and $265 in revenue. Alright, I'll break down the revenue in just a minute, but first I just want to talk about how I fulfill these custom orders. The fulfilling process of custom order is a bit different than fulfilling original design products. With original designs, I can simply go ahead to Printify and complete the order by paying the production and shipping cost of the t-shirt, and Printify does the rest, such as emailing customers about their tracking numbers and handling the shipping. But for custom orders, I first quickly make the design draft and send it to the customer, letting them know that if they require any changes. Doing this eliminates the hassle of dealing with design issues in the future, and also it ensures the customer is aware of what they will be receiving. This enhances the customer service experience, and as a result makes it easier to earn good reviews. Once the design is confirmed by the customer, I finalize the design and head over to Printify. At this point, I will already have created and saved a custom listing in Printify, which looks like this. Now what I do is duplicate the listing, click on the edit product, and insert the final design I created on Figma. By the way, this is exactly the same design one of my customer bought. And when the design is resized, save the product as draft. Now to start the production process, I create a new order by clicking on the option create order. Here I enter the t-shirt details the customer provided. Next, I fill in the details about the customer's personal information and submit the order. After this point, Printify prints the design into the t-shirt and ship it to the customer with the tracking details. I know it's a bit of a manual work to fulfill custom order, but at the same time, the profit margin of the custom order is a bit higher than the original design t-shirt. Also, with original design t-shirts such as this, you can only target a specific audience in that niche, for instance photography. But if you are selling custom t-shirts, there is no need for you to niche down, which in results helps you to reach a wider audience. Alright, after taking out the Etsy fees, listing fees, Etsy ad cost, which I ran for 7 days at $1 per day, payment processing fees, sales tax and production cost of the t-shirt, I'm left with $142.64 in profit. I spent around 5 hours designing the original design t-shirt in the first week and 3 more hours designing the custom listings and fulfilling the order. So the total time spent on this project is 8 hours till week 3. That's not including the time spent creating these videos and the planning that went ahead before starting the challenge. So my hourly rates comes to around around $17.83, which is still below minimum wage in Australia. My plan for the coming week is to list more custom products, making them the best I can, and also I'm planning to add a new product type in my shop. By the way, the product I'm thinking about adding is somewhere in this video. Let me know in the comments if you can guess what the product is gonna be. Alright, if you made it this far into the video, it would really help if you could like the video, consider subscribing and turning on the notification for upcoming videos, and as always, thank you for watching. Cheers guys, have a good one.